Hallo julle, ek hoop julle mis my net so baie soos wat ek vir julle mis. Vandag doen ons ontkenning, the negative. Now, to ontken something means to deny it. So the negative means to basically say, no, it's not like that. It's almost like the opposite. Now in Afrikaans, I want you to remember one important thing when it comes to ontkenning. You have two knees. If you look down on your legs, you have two knees. So in Afrikaans, we also have a knee and a knee. Okay, and where we put them is over here after the first verb and over here at the very end of my stompie sentence. So no matter which parts of these stompie parts we have, the knee will always be after the first verb and at the very end. Even if I have an infinitive, grade 7s, the knee will be at the end of that. So ontkenning, or the negative, is like, for example, if you say, dit het gister gereën, it becomes, dit het nie gister gereën nie. So it's like saying, it rained yesterday, it did not rain yesterday. So let's look at an example. This sentence says, Juffrou hou van Krispy Kreme. That's accurate, so I actually don't want to deny it, but let's change it to the negative. It will become, Juffrou hou nie van Krispy Kreme nie. There's my first knee and my second knee. The first one comes after verb 1 and the last one comes at the end. Now I can also ask you to do the opposite of this. I can give you the negative sentence and you change it into the positive. So if I gave you Juffrou hou nie van Krispy Kreme nie, then you change it to Juffrou hou van Krispy Kreme. Okay, now when we have a question like this one, het jy 'n kat? The negative is a little bit different when it's a question because you have to write an answer. So if somebody asks you, did you sleep late this morning? You won't just say, I didn't sleep late. You will say, no, I did not sleep late. So in the same way in Afrikaans, we have to start our answer with nee because it's a question. So I will say nee, comma, and then my negative. And it will be exactly the same as we did here. We will still have the knee and the knee in the same places. But there's something very important that I want to bring under your attention, and that is my pronoun. If I ask you, do you like swimming? You will not say, no, you don't like swimming. You will say, no, I don't like swimming. So the pronoun changed from you to I, because it's you answering the question about yourself. You're not telling me if I like swimming, you're telling me if you like swimming. So in this case, if somebody asked me, het jy 'n kat? I can't say, nee, jy het nie 'n kat nie, because then I'm answering for that person. I must say, nee, ek het nie 'n kat nie. I don't have a cat. So nee, ek het nie 'n kat nie. So I still have my knee and my knee. The first one is after verb 1. The last one is at the end. So every time that it's a question, you have to start the answer with nee, comma, and then the rest of your negative sentence. Sometimes the pronoun doesn't change. For example, if I say to you, het Susan 'n hond? Then I will say, nee, Susan het nie 'n hond nie, because it's me and another person talking about Susan. So then I can't change the pronoun. I'm going to keep it to Susan. I hope that makes sense to you. Then the last thing, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky, is these guys. If I have words like al ooit, iets, ergens, and iemand in my sentence, then it will change like here. Okay, so this is, for example, al ooit means ever, and nog nooit means never. So if I say, have you ever gone to the sea? You will say, no, I have never gone to the sea. So ever must change to never, and it's the same in Afrikaans. So if I say, let's take the next example, iets becomes niks, something becomes nothing. Het jy iets gehoor? Did you hear something? Will become nee, ek het niks gehoor nie. No, I heard nothing. Now the important thing to remember there is that this word over here replaces the first nie. So if I have a word like this, I change it to that in the negative, and then I only have a nie at the end. So it will be nog nooit nie, niks nie, nêrens nie, and niemand nie. Okay, I will not say niks nie, something something nie. This replaces the first nie. So let me just quickly do an example with you. If we use this last one here, iemand becomes niemand, means somebody becomes nobody. Let's say my sentence is, het iemand geval? Did somebody fall? Then I'm going to answer, because it's a question, nee, and then iemand becomes niemand. Het is my verb, geval, and then I have nie. So I have my last nie, but my first nie is replaced by this word. I hope that makes sense, guys. And if there's anything about this work you don't understand, even if you start with the worksheet and something seems unclear, remember you can always text me, send me a WhatsApp from your number, mom's phone, whatever, even a voice note is fine, and I will try and explain to you as best as I can. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day. Tot ziens!